Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Hi guys!
Yeah, Chase is here. Today we are playing Survival the Killers. Also, in my Roblox group, we have a bunch of hamster merch. Oh God. OMG, OMG! He killed me. He shot me with an SMG. He has a knife and he has a noob knife. Somehow this person has been hit like 2 times in a row.
I can't do it!
They healed me. Chucky is only after us. A weird baby doll saying he.
Escape him, I'm in the vent. Yucky, are you down?
No, I juked him. Which vent are you in?
Go, if you can find it, go to the boys' bathroom.
I don't know where the boys' bathroom is.
Find it. Fine, I'll come back for you.
I'm in the vent we were already in.
Come back into the room that
Chucky ambushed us in. Right here.
Come back to the room.
I'm here. Dude, I literally juked him. I tricked him and I jumped up. He thought I went the way the exits are open.
Exit's open.
That one's closer.
I escaped.
Chucky was camping the other exit. Chucky was camping the other exit, so I had to go through the other one. It wasn't fair, honestly. Haha, at least this time you didn't kill all of us. But literally last round she was camping both exits somehow. She was hacking. It was like she teleported to both exits. So I couldn't get through, and it's like she even camps the bodies and waits for someone to come there. And that's literally against the rules. No camping.
Yeah.
So it's like, why camp?
Oh, I see.
It's like your health won't go down, but it won't go down if you're near them. But it's like they camp and it's so dumb. Why you camp? Okay, we're going to the night school map. That's actually an OP map. Unless I'm it. If you're it, it's so hard to be in that map. Gamer boy Perry. I'm just gonna call him Pa. Gamer boy Pa.
Yeah, he try to find. I'm in the class. I'm in the classroom. Those vents were in.
What vents?
The vent that was in the classroom. That was in that classroom. Okay, right here.
He better not shoot me with an SMG this time.
What?
He shot me with an SMG last time. Or no, Slenderman. No, not Slenderman, but Chucky shot me with an SMG.
I'm gonna stay right here.
I'm going into the vents.
I'm staying on these lockers.
This guy is dumb. He thinks you have to crawl through the vents. Where are you?
I'm outside the vent just on his locker, so if he's close, I can just run up there.
Dude, he has double...
He's close!
The guy I was in the vent with... literally lured him to me.
Where are you at?
I'm outside of the vent, but he's camping. Go back in. Dude, you shouldn't have stood on the lockers. Yet again, you should have. He's literally inside of that vent. I'm up. Let's go. Back in the vent. Get in the vent. Oh no, someone was just defeated. Oh my god. This time he shot me with an SMG, but didn't shoot me hard with an SMG. He shot me in the arm with an SMG.
You're still recording?
Yes, I'm still recording. These videos are like 10 minutes.
Alright.
Oh my god, and I've been recording for 5. But it's like, did I...
You talk to over here.
Remember to like and subscribe. And go into my games and give my game more visits. Desert Battle. It's in my group. It's a group game. And you automatically, if you buy any shirt in the in my group, you get the hamster supporter rank because you're supporting the group. And it's real hot.
Hold on.
Where are you at? Where are you at? Where are you at?
He's gonna get me.
Where are you? You should have stayed in the vent. Where are you?
Oh my god.
Where are you?
Hiding somewhere.
I see you. He wasn't trying to get you.
Yes, he was. He was chasing me though.
Dude, get into the vent. Get into the vent.
He was chasing me though. It must have ran back.
He's in that room. Stay in the vent. 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 Go back. Go back. We're all literally crowding the vent. Like half the server literally just died. Probably not half, but like a quarter of the server is dead.
5 people died.
He's in the vent. 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 He's in the vent.
Ah, why did I crawl? Where'd you go? The exit's open. Let's go.
I'm here. I had to juke him. So go in this vent. Climb up.
Dang it!
Yes! Oh my god! Dude, if you guys couldn't see that, I wasn't zoomed out. I was too focused. He literally almost hit me. He was literally right behind me.
He was?
He was literally right behind me, and there was also another girl right behind me, but he was literally right behind me.
Oh my god.
But it was like, he was literally right behind me. There was a girl following me. He killed her, and the girl got launched right into me. And I was like, okay, that means he's right behind me. And I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, I can't believe you survived that.
It was scary. Honestly.
It sounded like make your heart scared.
Let me fuel this up.
Oh, I forgot to fill it. Oh, I forgot I died.
It's not me. Why? We gotta survive Jeff the Killer.
I hope the next one is not his girlfriend. Where's what?
I don't know, cause I literally hate this map.
Oh, me too. Try.
I'm at the stairs. Do you know where the stairs are?
No. What stairs are you at? The upstairs?
No, never mind. Jeff the Killer is all the way up there, but they're AFK. And Jeff is actually a girl. They left. They gave us free money and free XP. Wow, that was a good way. Actually, no, these videos are 15 minutes. But that was a good way to almost go out. But I need to get to bronze 3. I like being a level 15. Guys, I don't know what happens when you get inside this rocket. Hold on. There's like some sort of secret knife stuck into, like, what is that thing? There's like some sort of fire blade. My knife is one of the Game Pass knives. Is the Killer's Essentials. I have the red one. I don't use the other two. Because these knives, I don't think these knives have stats. It's Chase. And you can use your own skin when you're in this game. So I use my own skin and Chase uses his own skin. Yeah, so also the hamster merch that is out on the group store isn't just the blue and the red hamster shirt. There are tons of color like purple, orange, and yellow, and green, and Chase Hamster YT is here. It's just like, it's not even creepy when it's like, oh yeah, that's me. I'm right next to you.
Where are people?
I don't know. I'm just running around. I hate this map. It's a swamp. We live where oh no. Shrek's gonna kill us.
I can't find the...
I see you.
Please help me.
There's someone right there.
I can't even kill them.
Let me at least get... Got him. I'm not gonna heal him. Another person near him. Camp him. Be like a camper. Go camp him. Kill him. He went in. He's in the locker. Kill him. Okay, I won't heal you. Camp him. Camp them. Be a bad player. Leave so they lose some health, but at least camp them a bit. I mean, yeah, it's against the rules. Okay, go back and camp him. This is me.
Don't revive him.
I'm not. Someone's coming. Someone's coming. Go back. 2 people. Kill her. Kill the one on top of the body. Don't chase the other person. And this is why you can barely get a single kill. You've only killed 2 people. He's over here. Camp the body. Camp that body. The other guy's over here. Come get him. Someone just got hit. There are 2 fat people. Kill them. I accidentally revived her, but
I killed.
You're camping them, but this is me.
Okay, got one. Need another one.